Hello everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Rochelle. I am so sorry that it's been a couple weeks without me doing it. I just ain't been eating right. So we gonna get back on track. So I got my hubby with me and we are going to cook New York strip steak. And I'm gonna pair it with some Swiss chard, and I have some red potatoes that I've diced and I've parboiled, and I'm gonna saute those up and make pan-seared roasted potatoes. So we're gonna teach hubby how to cook because I'm tired of cooking all the food. So he gonna learn how to cook this steak today. All right, so we gonna have him season this. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead and season that up. So we are doing this right after Bible study. The kids are asleep. We're gonna do a late night, date night, little dinner with me and him, and we gonna eat good. Now the kids, they already ate, they're in the bed, and we gonna enjoy each other. So he getting these seasonings together, y'all.
Cinnamon?
No, no ground cinnamon. But I just want to do something. But y'all, stay tuned. I am going to start doing virtual cooking classes, and this is just a little trial to see how well my instructions are, so that people can learn how to cook better, cook healthier, and it's gonna be free, y'all. It's just gonna be completely free, and I'll give you guys more details. Just let me know if you're gonna be interested in doing it.
So, you want to use garlic?
Whatever you want to season with.
Garlic and garlic chicken.
So he's over here seasoning this food. Now tell these people why you don't never cook. Come on, tell them.
I do cook. You want some cayenne pepper? Hey, that's spicy, right?
Yeah, just put give it a little. A little bit go a long way. Just that's gonna be spicy, spicy.
We'll get that one.
He know how to season real good. He just, when it comes to cooking, he don't want to do it. He want to leave that to me. Like, he wanted to sit on the couch. I made him come over here and help me because he wanted to sit on the couch and watch TV and let me do all this. So I said, well, you know what? You gonna be in this video together with me, and we gonna, make a video.
We putting this on the grill.
No, I'm gonna use all of it.
Black pepper.
Black pepper, yeah. Tell these people why you don't cook.
I do cook. I cook when it's a need.
What's that, grandma family gonna need that, baby? What's that, real plates?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay, all right.
So we're gonna season the second half on the grill, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what. So I got some olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle the olive oil. Just lightly drizzle it across, cause you know that beef make its own oil. You just want to make sure it don't stick. Now it's ready. Just throw it on there, baby.
How do you cook? Hold on.
Just throw it on there. Just long.
This way?
Yeah.
Like that?
In the oil, baby. In the oil.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay, so that's gonna cook, and I like my steak medium rare to medium. You like your steak what?
Well done.
He like his burnt, rubbery. Like, I hate well done steak. It just defeats the whole purpose.
Well, we'll do it a step above medium rare, right?
What? No, you talking about he want medium well. That's
medium
what he want.
well.
Yeah, so we're gonna try medium well with him. So we're gonna let this cook for a little bit, and we're gonna come back. All right. Okay, we are back, and he about to flip my steak over because I don't want mine all the way done. So go ahead, you can flip that one over. Yeah, he doing good, y'all. Y'all should be proud of us. Y'all see that beautiful serious look? He doing a good job. We're gonna let that side. We're gonna let that one cook for a little longer, probably about 5 more minutes. So mine's gonna be done before his. So we're gonna come back when we flip his. Okay, y'all, we back. Mine's is done. So go ahead, baby. Take that off here. Put it on the plate. You can bring the plate to me. Okay. We're gonna let that rest because you don't want to cut into a steak before all the juices like just like bathe in it, like let all the juices like, I don't know how to explain it, but let the juices set so that when it's time to eat the steak, you don't got, you know, juice all over it. All the juices stay inside the steak. So go ahead, baby, cook your steak. Okay. So this gonna take a little longer to cook because he want his medium well. Another way to get the correct temperature of the steak you want, you always do the fish rare, medium rare, medium well done. So you kind of like each finger is, you know. So mine was ready. I done cooked steak plenty of times where I just touch it and I know when it's ready. But you know, this one take a little longer because his is bigger than mine. So I'm gonna let his cook for a little longer, and when his is about to be done, I'm gonna go ahead and start my vegetables. Okay? All right, y'all, we back. So he settled for more of a medium instead of a medium well. All right, we're going to start this Swiss chard and these red potatoes, but he ain't gonna eat none of the Swiss chard, so it's all gonna be for myself. He need to pray for him because he don't eat vegetables like he needs to. So just get some of that olive oil. Yeah, pour it up there. Yeah. Okay. And I want you to take the Swiss chard. Well, put the potatoes on there first. Okay, I had parboiled those for about until they were just about almost done. Because what I'm going to do is just fry them up on here. Saute them up real good. Okay. Now, you want to use a plastic spatula. So go ahead, baby. Scoop those potatoes over. And I got my griddle on 350. Yeah. Okay. You just scoop the steak over just a little bit. Okay, now go ahead and do this chard. Yeah, you gotta put some olive oil. Put some olive oil. Y'all, look at him. He's doing a good job. Just a little bit. Okay. Go ahead and do it. And I've already chopped it up and mixed it up. We're going to cook the potatoes until they are brown and golden. And we're going to season it up. And we're going to come back when it's ready to plate. Okay, y'all, we are back. And we seasoned, sauteing the vegetables. They are already done. So it is time to plate. And when you plate pretty. So, hubby is not going to eat any Swiss chard. I'm just going to go ahead and plate it up for him. I'm just going to put the potatoes at the bottom. Okay. I'm just going to put this plate, you know. Voila. He don't want no vegetables. That's how he like it. And I went to Panama City Beach and they had what is it? A sauce store. And what happened was it was like some bourbon glaze sauce, and it looked so good. And they let you taste it, and we went ahead and we got some of it. Just a simple, put potatoes on one side, Swiss chard. Okay. It's called the Pepper Palace in Panama City, and it is sweet bourbon glaze, y'all, and it is so good. All right, I'm gonna put my steak on my. Yeah. So I got my Swiss chard, you know. Okay. I'm just gonna pour my glaze on top. Make it his. And we gonna do good, y'all.
Steak and green leaf.
Yeah, we finna catch up on green leaf because we missed a couple episodes. Well, we missed the latest episode, so we finna eat this steak and sit on the couch and watch some green leaf. All right, drizzle. Woo! Looks good. Make my husband happy, y'all. So this is mine with that sweet bourbon glaze on there, y'all. It's so delicious. And that's his. All right, y'all. So we gonna sit and we gonna eat. Y'all give Josiah a round. Give him a round of applause. He finally made some dinner. Your head can cut off. He finally made dinner for the wifey. So I'm proud of him. All right, we're finna eat, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning for Cooking with Rochelle. Let me know if y'all are interested in virtual cooking classes. All right, thank you. Y'all, you know we had to show y'all how it tastes. Okay, y'all, you know we had to come in and show y'all, because I always show you, you know, how good it tastes. Okay. All right. Let me see if you can see that real good. I think you can see that. I'm gonna show you a good, I got a medium rare steak. Look at that. Medium rare steak. I'm gonna dip it in that sauce. Put that potato. Get me some of this Swiss chard on there. How it taste, baby?
Tastes really good.
Y'all, it's good. Y'all should try this. But it's from Pepper Palace. This is good. But thank y'all so much. And I will see y'all on Fashion Friday.